You may believe that PDF is simply a file format for storing files that cannot be edited but must be readily shared and printed. But did you know that this PDF document you're looking at has the potential to generate thousands of dollars in 100% passive revenue for me? Yes, you heard that right. The only catch is that you must watch every second of this video and take appropriate action at the end. Otherwise, this isn't going to work, because moving forward will cause you to miss important details and leave you unsure of what to do. That being said, while this is a fantastic and legitimate method to make a lot of money online, it's not really a long-term plan for making money, and it will not make you wealthy. With everything out of the way, let's get into the video. So our initial step should be to navigate to Google Docs. To do so, go to Google and search for Google Docs, or go to docs.google.com and type in the URL. In any case, your aim is to get over to this site, where you'll write a PDF document that will earn you money. Of course, this raises the question of what you'll write in that document. A guide, to be precise. In my situation, I produced a step-by-step guide to Instagram growth. It doesn't matter whose guide you use. It doesn't make a huge impact, really. It doesn't matter what you create a guide about. It might be about losing weight, increasing muscle, growing a YouTube channel, cryptocurrencies, and so on. The only thing that matters is that the guide may be helpful to as many individuals as possible. The more people it may help, the more money you can make. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. And that is why my Instagram growth strategy is ideal for use as an example. Because Instagram is a highly, tremendously popular platform used by billions of individuals all over the globe. It means that my guide to expanding on Instagram will assist a large number of people, which, as I previously stated, is the most essential element. For those of you who are wondering how you would create a guide on something you have no knowledge about, here's how to do it. Simply Google it. That is exactly what I did. In fact, all you have to do is utilize Google to perform some fast research on the topic your guide is based on, then create a guide in your own words. You may, for example, simply search for a guide on Google that you want to write as well. In my instance, I looked up how to expand on Instagram on Google, and from there you may open up some of these instructions. So now, instead of copying and pasting, you'll just write down what you've just read in your own words, avoiding any copyright issues. This way, due to Google, you can write a tutorial about something you don't even know much about. The second step is to go to whatever affiliate marketplace you like, whether it's Digistore24, ClickBank, or something else. And you'd want to join up for the platform and ask questions, which I won't go into because it's pretty basic stuff and would make this lesson needlessly long. The next stage is to find a promotion to advertise, and you can make money on autopilot by marketing anything as an affiliate that will allow you to reach hundreds of people who are interested in what you're pushing. In any case, what you want to advertise will be determined by the content of your guide, since you want your guide and the product you're marketing to be in the same area. You will look for a weight loss product to market if you have a weight loss guide. If you have a YouTube growth guide, you will look for YouTube growth tools such as Sacrimony. In my situation, I'll be looking for Instagram growth items on Digistore24.com. From there, all you have to do is select anything worth advertising and pay great attention to the commissions, which should be at least 40% to make your marketing profitable. You also don't want to advertise excessively inexpensive things, since you won't make nearly as much money for each sale regardless of commissions. This item serves as an excellent illustration. It provides a certain percentage of the commission and would pay me a certain amount of money for every sale, which is actually quite good. If 100 people bought it, I'd make a lot of money in totally passive revenue, which isn't awful at all. Now is the time to get your affiliate link for this product. All I'd have to do now is click on Promote Now once to get an affiliate link to an offer of my choosing. Then return to your tutorial and put it in. Now here's a pro tip. Utilize a site like bit.ly.com first to shorten the link to the offer you're pushing. You want to do this because if you use a regular affiliate link, it will be pretty clear that you're marketing anything, and people are not likely to click on it. However, when you abbreviate it using bit.ly, it will almost certainly boost the number of clicks. You won't want to paste it in your guide. Instead, you'll want to add something next to it that will tempt people to click on it. I wrote the greatest method to grow on Instagram since I'm using a product to help others increase their Instagram accounts. What you do here, once again, is determined by the product you're marketing. If it's a business growth offer, you may include something like the best business growth course or something like that. And now that you've done that and placed the affiliate link into your guide, you can really profit from it. When someone opens it, they'll find all of these free Instagram growth tips and methods, implying that I'm genuinely assisting them in this regard. The last piece of the equation is now the traffic source. Guys, this one here called Quora.com is perhaps the greatest in this particular scenario. For the uninitiated, this is a community-based website where you can come and obtain answers to any topic you can think of. And now folks, here's the most pleasing thing about this website. Every month, almost 500 million people visit it. This is why you should utilize Quora as a source of traffic. It's pretty well liked. Keep in mind that making thousands upon thousands of dollars requires hundreds of clicks and purchases, and you'll almost certainly receive that many because Quora is viewed by millions of people every day. However, you must first create an account on Quora. I'm not going to go through that procedure again, so I'm not going to make this video any longer. In any case, after you've signed up, you'll need to ask a question about your own guide. In my situation, I wanted to learn how to build my Instagram following, and what this will do now is show you folks who are clearly seeking the strategies to build their Instagram following, making them ideal customers for me. The last thing I need to do is copy the complete guide that I recently saved to my computer and paste it on here as an answer. Then I'd repeat the process for all of the questions that I could locate. That's all there is to it. That is all the work that needs to be done. You'll be able to rest while collecting daily clicks on your affiliate link if you answer as many of these questions as possible. And owing to Quora's enormous popularity, it's almost certain. And with that, I'll conclude today's video.